Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Jenny B. So happy new year to you all. Yes, I say happy new year because this is my first video this year, so I welcome you back to my channel. So today I have another DIY, and this is a simple bag. Look at it. This is the look, how the bag looks. It's just simple and it's very easy. Easy. It's very quick to make. It's not difficult. So I use this leather. This is one of the leather that I had for long now. I use it to make a clutch bag. So this is the remaining. I was like, okay, let me use it for this tutorial. But you can also use ordinary fabric to make this style. You can also use like African print, any fabric you like, you can use it. It's very good at any fabric. So I'm going to show you details on how to make this bag, and yeah, I hope you like it. And one more thing, I said in my previous video that I'm going to make this Christmas dress, so I couldn't be able to make it due to the fabric that I ordered online did not came in time, so I couldn't be able to make any video during the holiday. So but I'll still make the video. So sorry about that. Bear with me. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to make this bag, and I hope you like it. Please do thumbs up if you like it, and tell me what you think. Yeah, if you have any question, feel free to leave your comment below. Yes, I will see you in my next video. So here is the leather. I also have another fabric. I'm going to use it as lining, and you can see also these black pieces. I also call it for the handle, but I'm not going to use it because it's too small. So I'm going to cut out another pieces of the same color of the leather. So I'm going to use it to make the handle. So you can see that the leather, I cut it like a rectangular shape, both the leather and the fabric, and I match the two together, and I measure the width and the length. So depend on you the size you want. So the next thing I'm going to do is to show you how to fold it, and I turn it on the wrong side. I'm going to fold it from the left side downwards, you can see, and then on the right side I'm going to fold from the collar to upward. So I now adjust it. So the next thing I'm going to do is to fold the two to make a two triangular shape like this. This is so simple and it's very easy. So the next thing to do is to overlap the edges like this, and then pin and stitch together. So for this you can also use ordinary fabric, like any fabric, whether thick, you can use any fabric to make it. So I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. So I'm going to sew. So this is the look. So the next thing now is to fold and stitch the edges.
together, and I still hope that you'll be mine forever. Even though you're far away, I still know we need to move in. We are together.
So the next thing is to soak, and this is the look. So now to make the handle, I cut out these pieces. So I cut out the pieces. Like I said, I wanted to use the black one, but I couldn't use it because it's small. So I'm going to use the small one to join it together. I'm going to stitch it together. And I'm going to fold and stitch the corner by the side. So now the next thing is to fold the handle, but I'm going to use a glue gun to make this. So it's up to you. You can stitch with sewing machine, but I'm going to make it with a glue gun. I'm going to glue it together. So that is it. My bag is ready. So this is the look. So yeah, I hope you enjoy. I hope you like this video. Please do thumbs up and also give your comment. Tell me what you think. And yeah, thank you all. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Time I think